Hello, this is Prajakta, editor, Newsband. We are at Pillars College, Panvel, covering the Internship Fair 2026. With us, we have Deepika Sharma, Vice Principal of the college. Hello, Deepika.
Hello, hi.
Deepika, tell us about this Internship Fair.
So every year we conduct internship fair, and the whole idea of conducting this is, I would say, to empower students to take charge of their career. Because until and unless you dive in, it's difficult for you to learn how to swim. So once they go for internship, they get real hands-on and they understand like how industry works. They come out of their cocoon or their comfort zone, and they really learn the skills. They get to understand how do they correlate the studies, the things that they have learned in their classroom, they utilize, they apply that in the real world. So that is the whole thing, and definitely like this is the only way we believe that we can reduce the gap between industry and academia. Other than this, I don't think there is any real solution. How much ever you talk in class, how much ever you orient them, but till the time they go, they work there, they would not understand how things work in industry.
Deepika, would you please tell us how many companies have participated, from which all fields they are, and what is the strength of students?
So around 50 companies have participated in this internship fair, and they're all in various domains. We have IT, then there are companies looking out for marketing, sales, biotechnology, design. So all the varied domains that we cater to, we have invited companies also in all those domains, because we have made internship mandatory for each and every student going to third year. So it's like the credits of internships are there accumulated in their academic credits also. So we have creditized it so that students take it really seriously, because though we are doing it for their benefit, but then ultimately they are young students. So we have attached credits to it. So it is mandatory for every student. And in a batch, like we have around 1800 students. So every year 1800 students do internship for their semester 5.
Okay. So this is like which year of the fair, and like how many fairs have already taken place?
For job fair, I would say like it's more than 10 years we have been conducting job fair, and for internship fair this is the 5th year.
Oh, this is 5th year, which is very nice. So this is not only a contribution towards your students, but it is also contributions towards the industry.
Definitely.
This kind of fairs are actually helping to fill the gap between the industry and the industry expectations and the students. Having said this, what is the message would you like to give to your students as well as to the industry?
So to students, I would say that go ahead, explore the industry, correlate the things that you have learned and how things are happening, observe it, be curious, and that is how you can be successful in your career. And for industry, we would request industry to work closely, even closer with academia, because we are all open. We would love industries coming and becoming knowledge partner for our programs, so that we are on the same page. And this gap word, I mean, we are, I would say that we are tired of listening this gap between industry and academia. So let us eradicate it forever, and that would happen if like both of us, go a step ahead. So we are all open. We already have a lot of industries as our knowledge partners, and we would be happy to have many more coming and collaborating with us.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Deepika. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.